in the previous class, we have discussed about two concepts, variables, then identifiers. Okay. Apart from features of Python, we have completed these tasks. Now, today, before going to the today's topic, actually today I wanted to start a next topic called as operators. Before starting operators, yesterday some students has asked what are the job profiles with okay, Python. Okay, I will show you the job profiles of Python first, then I'll go to the today's topic. I hope this pen is not good, so I'm changing pen. Okay, please, yeah. Shall I go ahead? Yeah. In today's session, first few minutes, I will compare how the languages will be used for implementing a specific thing. For example, if I take C programming, if I want to print anything, okay, first of all, we need to include the libraries like standard.io.h. Then we should write about main function, then open brackets and close brackets. Then we need to write the printf statements. Okay, in Python, we don't have open brackets and closure brackets. Okay, these are called as block oriented. And look at here, there are semicolons at the end of each and every statement. Okay, in Python, no semicolons, all not required, no semicolons, and no blocks. Okay, first one, this is point, this is the second point. And for example, if you compare with Java, you have to take class name. Within open brackets and closure brackets, we should write about PSVM, stands for public static void main. Then only we should write about system.out.println. How many statements we are using? 4 statements. Here also we are using 4 statements. So in Python, simply print function. Whatever I wanted to print, I will give it in the single double quotes. Okay, that will be printed. Now, if you take C language, it is taking 4 LOC. If you take Java also, it is taking another 4 LOC. LOC stands for lines of code. If you take Python, how many lines of code is taking? Only 1 LOC. So yesterday I told that if you use Python, you just reduce the development time. Okay, now will you agree? I already told you 2 to 10 times Python is shorter than other languages. Python is shorter than other languages. Okay. This is the first point. So I hope if you have any questions, kindly ask me, else I'll go to next slide. Shall I go?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I will compare one more way between other languages. For example, let us take a C language. In C language, if you want to initialize a variable, 3 is called as value. This is integer value I'm storing in a variable called as x. X is called as variable. And this is a integer data type. Integer is a data type. Okay. For example, in Python, directly I'm assigning a value to the variable. That's it. Okay. No need to declare. No need to declare data type. Data type. Is it okay? No data types. Not at all required. Simply initialize a value, then use it directly. Now you can ask one question, sir. If we don't declare, if we don't specify data type, what is the data type of x and what is the data type of y here? Here, what is the data type of x and what is the data type of y? Now in the next slide, I'll answer it. Any question?
No, sir.
Yeah. Now let me go to next slide here. Now let me erase it. For example, whenever I declare a variable like this, x equal to 3, which internally creates a memory object in the memory, pi int object in the memory. Okay. Now it is going to assign a value 3 to the variable value. Okay. This will happen directly by the Python interpreter itself. It is not by the programmer, Python interpreter. Not by the programmer. Not by the programmer. Okay, Randy? For example, if I assign this here, 3 is called as integer that I'm storing in a variable called as x. For example, if I want to store a real numbers, this is called as floating point. 4.5 I'm assigning into value of x. Now what is happening? Now it is creating another object called py float object, where the 4.5 will be assigned to the value that is happening. Is it okay? This is also done by the Python interpreter. That's it. Internally, what is happening? Apart from this assigning the value, other jobs like bookkeeping, their data type, number of references, everything will be managed by the Python itself. Okay. No need to have any intervention by the programmer. So will you agree how it is happening in the memory? Yesterday I told you this. Na? This is how happens in the memory. Okay. Now let me go back to the previous slide. Now, one more point. Here I have assigned a value x equal to 3. Now I have assigned another value 3.0. Now if I want to compare both left side value as well as right side value, okay. Now if the answers are same, I'm going to return true. Okay, it is exactly similar with other languages. Now let me take other thing about how loops will work it out in C and Python language. Now look at here. This is the where how we are going to write for loop in C language. Okay, we need to import the library, main function, declaring a variable. This is a loop. Okay, this is initialization. This is a conditional checking, at least incrementation. This is the open brackets and closure brackets is nothing but the loop. Now, this simple 2-line statement is equivalent to this 5-line statements. Is it okay? Now, can you agree by using Python? Can I get reduced development effort by the programmer with these small code snippets? That's what I have added today, this code snippets for understanding this example. So if you permit me, I will get into the topic. Now, yesterday, some of the students has asked me, sir, what will be the job prospect if we learn Python? First one is you can go for data science. Okay. And you can also go for machine learning. Okay, and you can also go for web development, and you can also go for automation process. One student asked that, sir, can we use this Python for automation scripts? Yes, nowadays a thing is coming called RPA, robotic process automation. Okay, where we are going to use Python scripts, where we are going to use Python scripts to automate the entire hardware sensors. Okay, and most important point is because it is a free and open source, because it is free and open source software, hundreds of libraries are available in Python compared with other languages. So many libraries are available and so many frameworks are coming up regularly. Okay, now because it is a free and open source software, we have a huge community help. If I know Python, I can help the code. If you are good in Python, you can help because it is a free and open source software. We have huge community help. Okay, and it is used for multiple purposes. Learning Python is very simple and it is very high demand job growth nowadays. Okay, nowadays most of the people are learning machine learning, data science, IoT, cyber security, anything we can develop with Python. That's what I wanted to, and it is right now it is giving highest salary compared with other languages. I hope it is sufficient to answer the previous class question. I hope it is clear, madam. One of the madam has asked that question. For that, I have added these slides, and I'm also giving some comparative study about other languages, how Python is better. Look at here. Compared with the languages, Python is better for job prospect according to IEEE Spectrum, which published in 2021. According to KD Nuggets, this is a general. It is a journal related to machine learning. It is also saying that Python is better than other languages. Okay. This is not I'm discussing about boosting about Python. These are the statistics which are available regarding Python. Okay, now if you want to run Python, you can ask one question, sir, what are the libraries, what are the packages, and what are the environments which you are using? The first first mode environment is Anaconda. Most of the people will prefer this Anaconda as IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Okay, where we can write a program, we can get help of a program, we can interpret a program, we can do visualization of the program. Everything can be done within a single screen. Okay, clear? Now, apart from that, you have PyCharm. PyCharm is also one of the best environment which is used nowadays. And Enthant, Canopy, there is another code thing called VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Most of the people nowadays, but if you want to use VS Code or Enthant, Canopy, you should be good programmers. Okay. Now, why I am preferring Anaconda? If you install Anaconda in your machine, you are going to get a Jupyter Notebook. Yesterday I have shown you this one, Jupyter Notebook. This is for very good for beginners. Why I'm suggesting this? Very good for beginners. Apart from that, if you install, I'll get one more thing called Spider. Spider is another tool like Jupyter Notebook, which is best to use for good programmers. Okay. Apart from them, you have other 3 to 4 tools which are available with Anaconda itself. So if you install Anaconda, you will get so many advantages. I will tell you how to install this Anaconda within after completion of the session. Okay. Before completion of today's session, I will tell you how to install this software into your machines. So shall I go to today's session? Now, yesterday I have completed 2 concepts like identifiers, and I also discussed about variables. Now, today let me start a concept called as operators. Okay. Now, first let me discuss what is an operator. Let me take a comma b equal to 10 comma 20. Now, what will happen? A will get 10 and b will get 20. Is it okay? Where? Now, if I write c equal to a plus b, print of c. Now, here I'm using variables called a, b, c. These are called as operands. Technically, these are called as operands. What are the operators I'm using? Plus and equal to are called as operators. Clear? What the operators are doing? Operators are manipulating the value of a with 10, b with 20, and the new value 30 will be storing here. Because I'm using equal to operator, what will happen? Whatever the value I have right side, the result will be stored in left side. So operator is used to manipulate the values of operands. Okay, Nandi? Now why we need to discuss operators? Understood? Here A, B, C are called as operands, and plus equal to, which I used in this program, is called as operators. What the operators are doing? Operators are manipulating the values of operands. Now, Python supports various kinds of operators such as arithmetic operators. These are used for doing mathematical operations, simple mathematical calculations. Okay. Second one, relational operations, also used for comparison operation. Then assignment operation, logical operation, bitwise operation, membership operations, identity operations. This session itself will take 2 full hours. So today I wanted to discuss about what is arithmetic operators, and let us a little bit more about discussion about arithmetic operators. Shall I go? Yeah. Now, Python supports 7 kinds of arithmetic operators. They are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star for multiplication, slash for division, mod for remainder operation, and double star for exponential or power, and double slash for floor division. Okay. First, let me discuss what are the meanings of each and everything. Okay, please. Let me go to Let me go to Jupyter Notebook and explain about them. Okay. Then I will discuss about beautiful coding concepts with arithmetic operators. Till now, no textbook has given this kind of concepts. Now, can you please see the screen? Yeah. Here, Python supports operators such as most of the people knows about plus operation is used for addition, minus operation is used for subtraction, and the star operation is used for multiplication. This everyone knows. But what is the usage of slash operation? What is the usage of mod operation? What is the usage of double slash operation? Let me discuss first. Let me take 17 is first number and I'm dividing with 3. Now 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now remainder is 2 here. This is called as remainder. 5 is called as quotient. Now look at here carefully. Now if I take 17 slash 3, the result will give me 2. It gives me remainder. Okay. Hello. Now 17 slash me is giving me 5. It is giving me quotient. Okay. Now if I ask 17 mod 3, which is giving me the remainder. What is the remainder? 17 mod 3, it is 2. 2 is the remainder and 5 is the quotient. So I hope you agree with 17 slash 3 will give me 5 and 17 mod 3 will give me 2. Is it okay? Can you please respond? Now still I can go, if I put dot here, I will get 0 here, and once again 6 3s are 18, still I will get remainder 2 here. Now there are 2 points, slash and double slash. Slash is going to give us both integer value as well as float value, whereas the double slash will give integer value only. For example, in 5.6, 5.6 will be given by slash operation. Look at here, 17 slash 3 is going to give me 5.6. 17 double slash 3 is giving only the integer version of this value, that is 5. Is it okay? Can you please respond? What is the difference between these three? Hello? Slash operation will give me the division operation. Division operation always gives the quotient. That's right. 5.6 is the answer for 17 mod 3. 5.6. For example, 17 double slash 3. Double slash 3 is used for floor division. What is the meaning of floor division? Which always takes the integral part only. Is it okay? Now next we have one more operation called double star. Double star is called as power operation, also called as exponential operation. For example, if I want to write 2 power 3, how to write it? 2 double star 3. Is it okay? Now shall I run this? 2 double star means 2 into 2. It is 8. I hope, will you agree? Shall I run it? Now look at here. 17 slash 3 is giving me 5.666. It will give me up to 12 digits. 17 double slash 3 is giving me 5. 17 mod 3 is giving me 2. 2 as a remainder. I hope it is clear for you. Now print of 2 cube. 2 power 3 is nothing but 8. I hope, will you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now let me can you please answer for my questions? Yeah. Now I have so many operators. We should also know how they will be evaluated. They depends upon this principle called PEMDAS principle. Mostly in your childhood you studied about Bodemas principle. Will you agree? Bracket, open, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay. Mostly in childhood you have studied about these operation, Bodemas principle. Now in Python I simply changed this as a PEMDAS principle. P stands for parenthesis and E stands for exponential, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Is it okay? You have to follow the any kind of mathematical or arithmetic expression in this way. Now look at here, the first and foremost operator, double star operation, exponential, is having highest precedence, then multiplication, then division, then floor division, then mod operation, then addition and subtraction. Can you please note down this principle? We'll try to solve some examples. Can you please note down this principle for 1 minute? If you note down, then I will try to solve some problems. Shall I continue?
1 minute, sir.
Yes, please. Next to 10 minutes, we'll try to solve 5 to 8 examples. I hope it is completed. Shall I exit? Shall I erase?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, can you please answer for my queries? I'll ask 3 to 4 questions from anyone. These are the technical questions you will come in the interviews. Now, can you please answer me this question? What is the value for this? I will have 22 /3 plus 3 by 3. Can you please tell me, does slashed operation having highest precedence or double slash operation? In the previous slide, I told you na rule.
Slash is the highest preparation.
Yes. Slash is having highest. So first of all, this expression will be evaluated. 3 by 3 is always 1. Okay. Clear. Then 22 you divide by 3. 7 3s are 21. Remainder is 1. This is called as remainder. Now double slash operation, if I put dot here, I will get 0. 3 3s are 1 remainder. 7.3. Okay. Double slash means I will get 7 here. 7 plus 3 by 3 will give me 1.0. 7 plus 1. Is it okay? 8 actually. This 8 I'm storing in a variable called as float. So it will become 8.0. Is it okay? The answer is 8.0. Will you agree? Can you please please everyone unmute yourself and please unmute. Hello, Ravi, can you please unmute yourself, please? If you have any question, please ask me. Yes, please unmute yourself, Ravi, please. Sai, so it is not fair, and please, when the class is going on, you should not do such kind of things, please. Now, can you please explain the concept? What is the output of this one?
512.
Please kindly, everyone kindly unmute and I will answer it, and please, I will explain. I will explain. Please. How many number of times I'm saying, please, still it is not now. How it will be written, Andy? 2 to the power 3 to the power 2. Remember carefully, Andy. When I'm using, please, Andy, please. How many number of times I have to say, Andy? Please. Now this expression can be written like this, Andy. Only for exponential operations, they have to be executed from top to bottom. And please listen carefully. Only for exponential operation, they will be executed from top to bottom. Remaining all operations will be executed from left to right hand. This is the rule you must follow. Okay, once again I'm repeating. Only for exponential or power operation, they will be executed from top to bottom. First of all, 3 square will be executed. Okay. Now 3 square means 9. So 2 power 9 is equal to 512. Okay. Whatever she said is correct, but you should also explain in such a way. Okay. First of all, parenthesis will be executed. Parenthesis 3 square. This will be 9. So 2 power 9 is equal to 512 only. Okay. Now, can you please explain this one? First of all, according to PEMDAS principle, parenthesis, that will be 2 cube is nothing but 8. 8 to the power 2 is equal to 64. Is it okay? Now here In third example, I don't have parenthesis. So this will be executed in this way. Okay. This will also give me 512. So the answer is 512, 64, 512. Is it okay? Now, can you
Yes,
please
sir.
answer me? Can you please answer me this question? Does plus operation or slash operation, which is having highest precedence, slash is having highest precedence. So 2 by 2 will become 1, 43.55 will become 44.5. Then, yes,
4.55.
I'm storing this result in an integer. So integral value will be 44. Is it okay? So it will be 44. The answer is B.
44.
Madam, please mute from your side. If you have any, please kindly answer them in the chat box only. It is my humble request, please. Please. Now, can you please answer me these two things? First of all, let us discuss this concept. 24/6 mod 3. Now, which is having highest precedence? Which is having highest precedence? Is it mod operation? Is it mod operation or is it // operation? Yes, it is.
Double slash operation, sir.
This // operation. First of all, 24 mod 6. Okay, 4 6 are 24. The remainder is 0 here. This answer is 4. Then
4.
4 mod 3. 1 3 is 3, remainder is 1. So the answer is, for this expression, the answer is 1. Okay. Now, what is the answer for this? Please use your chat box and please kindly, the session is recording. You are polluting the recording, Sai Saujanya, please. You are polluting the recording, please. Please, I will help, please. Now, for example, if you have operations in this way, always you should follow left to right. Okay, so 24 by 4, it will be 6. Okay, now 6 by 4, 6 if I divide it with 4, 1 4 is 4, the remainder is 2. Sorry, it is 1 3. Is it 24 divided by 2? Sorry, it will be 3. 3 2s are 6. So the answer is 1 comma 3. Will you agree? So the answer is A for this. Any queries, Sandy, in this example? If you don't have any queries, I will go to next slide and I'll ask some questions. Yeah. Now, can you please answer me these questions? Which is the correct operator for writing x to the power y? Okay, x double star y. Then, okay, it is very good, simple one. Which is the operation will give me the floor division? Yeah, it is also very simple. Now, can you please answer me this question? Can I write mathematical operations? Can I perform on string? Now, I did not explain this concept. First, let me take one case. Okay, listen carefully. A comma b equal to 10 comma 20. Now, c equal to a plus b, d equal to a star b. This plus operation is called as addition here. This star operation is called as multiplication. Okay. Now, if I print C, what will happen? It will be 30. If I print D, what will happen? It will be 200. Okay. 10 multiplied by 20 is nothing but 200. Same thing if I apply on strings. Now, A comma B equal to, first string is Python, comma, second string is program. Now, if I do like this, C equal to A plus B. Now, here, this plus operation is not called as addition, and this plus operation is called as concatenation. Okay. Now, if I do D equal to A star 2. Okay. D equal to A star 2. This multiplication, this is not called as multiply. This is called as a repetition. What is the output of this one? It is going to print Python PRG. Okay. It is going to join these two strings. Concatenation means joining two strings. Now, star is means replication. Whatever the value I have A, it will be repeated for 2 times. So it is going to print Python for 2 times. Whatever the string is there in A, the string will be repeated for 2 times. This star is called as repetition, also called as replication. Okay. So can you please tell me, can I perform mathematical operations on string from this discussion? False. Mathematical operations can be performed? No, we cannot perform mathematical operations. Now, can anyone answer me this question? Operators with the same precedence are evaluated in which manner? Okay, just now I have informed, always it is left to right. This question they're asking several times in the technical examination. Whenever you go for interviews, first they will conduct technical examination, and this is also they are asking several times. Kindly put 3-star symbols. Okay, please note down in your notebooks. They're asking these 2 questions regularly in the programming, in the technical examinations. Okay, please note down bit number 3 and bit number 4 regularly. Now, can you please answer me this question? Yes. First of all, I have multiplication operation and exponential operation. Exponential operation is having highest precedence. Then multiplication. First of all, it will have 1 to the cube. It will be 1. This one I am multiplying with 3. 3 multiplied by 1 equal to 3. So the answer is 3. I hope it is clear for everyone. Yeah. Now, because actually today is a festival season, still I wanted to continue the session. Now I will stop the session now, and shall I go for various ways of execution of the programs? Shall I go and demonstrate various ways of execution? Please note down in your notebook how to install the software and how to work it out, please. Yeah, as I promised, I will show you how to install the softwares. Okay, please listen carefully. Can you please see my screen? Yeah. Yeah, in the Google, I'm typing. Can you please note down Anaconda Individual Edition? Okay, how to install Anaconda? Simply type in Google Anaconda Individual Edition and press search. Always, it is better to select Anaconda distribution. Okay, kindly select this one. Okay, don't select this one, Andy. Sorry, always select the second one. Everyone will get this such kind of things. Kindly select. Now, shall I click it, Andy? Everyone is noting down. Everyone is noting down. Yes, Anaconda distribution. Yes, click on here. You will be navigated to this kind of page. Okay, you will be navigated to this kind of page. Simply go down. Simply go down. You are going to find distributions. Okay, now look at here, Anaconda installers. Look at here. You are finding 3 different kinds of versions of software. If you are using Windows machine, you select this one. If you are using Mac operating system, you can select any one of these. If you are using Linux, you can use these operations. Most of the people are having Windows in the machine. Simply click on here, and within 2 to 3 minutes, you are going to find one software which I have shown you, like on the desktop. Look at here. Just give me 1 minute. Once you click on there, you are going to find a software like this, and this circle, Anaconda. Okay. Once it is downloaded into your machine, simply double click and click OK, OK, OK. That's it. That everyone knows about how to install the software nowadays. Okay. Nowadays, it is not necessary to teach installing software to the students. Maybe 10 years back, we need to teach for everything. Okay. Once this is downloaded, kindly start installation. Simply press on OK, OK, OK until finish. That's it. Okay. Once this is completed, then I'll tell you what are the steps to follow. Shall I go on? Can you please note down? Can you please note down? Once the software installs, you can go to here, press Anaconda Navigator. Okay. Everyone, please note down. Anaconda, select Anaconda Navigator from the search button of your Windows. Okay. Now click on Anaconda Navigator, please. I will also discuss without installing any software also you can work and no need to execute any software. Okay. Also I will tell you within 5 minutes. Okay. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes first time whenever you are opening that Anaconda navigator. Okay. Let it in the meantime I will also show you how to work with Gmail account. I think all of you are having Gmail account. All of you are having Gmail account. Yeah. Can you please respond in the chat box? If you have Gmail account, no need to install any software. Okay. I'll tell you the steps right now. Shall I go first of all? Yeah. Click on Gmail account. Everyone, please everyone note down. Click on Gmail account. In the meantime, the software is opening now. Once you got it, go to Google Apps and you are finding 9 dots here. Are you finding 9 dots? Yeah, click on here. Then select, once you click on here, select Google Drive. Once again, I'm repeating, Andy. Once you open your Gmail, click on this 9 dots. This is called as Google Apps. And kindly go to Google Drive. That's it. Is it okay? I hope it is clear till now. Now, once you open the Google Drive, click on New. Look at here, click on New. Again, repeating, Andy. Once you go to Google Drive, click on New. You are find More. Once you click on More, you are finding Google Collaboratory. Is it okay? Are you noting down? Once again, I'm repeating. Once you go to Google Drive, click on New. Then go to More and go to select Google Collaboratory. That's it. Your job is done. Okay, your job is done. No need to install any softwares. Okay, within 2 minutes you are going to get everything. Okay, just give me 1 minute to open this. Are you finding same Google kind of things? Print off hello to my first program. Just simply click on here. Your job is done. First time, whenever you are using, right side, are you finding some connecting, Andy? Are you finding some connecting here? 3 dots. First of all, it will be with the pink color. Once it is connected, it will become green color. These 3 dots will become into green color. Then it starts execution of your program. Is it okay? Yeah. Now, once you get connected, are you finding whenever you are using Gmail account, you are going to get 15 GB of hard disk and 12 GB of RAM to you. Okay. Even though you are having 4 GB of RAM in your machine, you can work with 15 GB of RAM. Look at here. Now, simply click on here. Your job is done. You got hello to my first application. If you want to add cells like this by pressing code, you can do any kind of thing. 1 + 1 = 2. That's it. Your job is done. Okay. Are you getting me? Now, now you can ask me, sir, what are the advantages of using Google Collaboratory? Is it okay? Google Collaboratory. Advantages of using. Now, you should have a Gmail account. Okay. Now, it is providing a software kind of environment called Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook. Now, third point is no need to install any software. No need to install any software. And another advantage is Google Colab will work with the CPU, GPU, and TPU. What is the meaning of CPU? Central Processing Unit. Everyone knows about it. GPU stands for Graphical Processor Unit. Graphical Processor Unit. TensorFlow Processing Unit. For example, if I'm working with 100 records of the data, I'm using Central Processing Unit. If I'm working with big data, what is the meaning of big data? If I'm working with 1,000 records or 10,000 records or 1 lakh records or 1 crore records, so instead of using my CPU will never sufficient. My 4 GB, 8 GB RAMs will never sufficient. So I will go for GPU as well as TPU. Okay. Now these things which are not available in your local machines. Now, and sir, you can ask one question, sir, how to set our machine to GPU and TPU? Okay. Now look at here. Now go to runtime. Look at here. Go to runtime. Look at here. Change runtime. Now let me clear this. Yeah. Look at here. Are you finding none means CPU? Then GPU as well as TPU. Okay. Now GPU means if you want to work with big data or if you want to work with too much data, you can select GPU as well as C. In normal machines, you are not finding this. Is it okay? I hope it is clear for everyone. And save it as file, save. Okay, just save. That's it. Your file is saved here. It is no name. Give any name here. Okay. Hello. That's it. Your program is saved. That's it. Are you getting me? Now you ask me, sir, how to work with Anaconda distribution. Now this one, I have already opened Anaconda distribution. Look at here. You are finding Jupyter Notebook. You are finding Spider. So many environments you are finding here. Okay. PyCharm, VS Code, everything. Now click on launch. Okay. Just simply click on launch Jupyter Notebook. Okay. Now, whenever you click on launch, it is going to open in browser. Whatever the browsers you are using in your machine, where it is going to open this Jupyter Notebook in a browser. Just a minute. It is going to open. First time it is taking a little bit effort. Okay. From the second time, third time onwards, it will become very simple. Okay. If it is not working in this way, directly go for Jupyter Notebook in the Jupyter. Okay, look at here. Simply click on Jupyter Notebook. It will be open. If not, in this way. Okay. If it is not opening from navigator, you can simply use directly Jupyter Notebook. Okay, it is opening now. Once it is opening Jupyter Notebook, in order to use fresh new Python 3, that's it. Your job is done. Look at here, new Python 3. That's it. A new Jupyter Notebook will be open where you can type the programs code regularly here. Okay, printf or print hello. That's it. Is it okay? I hope it is clear for everyone.